They keep making me run errands.
I don't know if this is too fancy for us or not. It's just the roadside cafes, but maybe. And then
Yeah, they do this in Chicago. So.
they shut the streets off and stuff. Then the thunderstorms coming up, they have to run back in again. Yeah. Right guys, wait to see this. This looks like a beast of a pizza. This could be a good recommendation for coming to Providence. Ready? I'm actually excited to try this. Now hopefully I'm not going to be wrong, yeah, but...
Sponsored by Mattress Firm. Mattress Firm's July 4th sale is your chance to get matched with your coolest Z's yet. Save $500 on Tempur-Breeze mattresses.
Right, now we only get 5 seconds to quickly take a photo of it because somebody gets antsy because she wants to eat it when it's just literally out the oven, which is fine. Not having a go or anything like that. And we could probably get tucked into this. Here goes guys. No, she's gonna love this. It's 100 degrees. I don't really like my food as warm as that.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh, well. No, that's right.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Obviously a better version, yeah. Remember we had the pizza slice at the Italian place in Boston?
That's lovely. Hey guys, we like sit here and watch me stuff my face, you know what I mean? So I'm going to stuff my face. We'll let you know how good it was when we finish. Now, maybe get a wee cannoli, start that one again. And try that, and maybe get a wee video of the place and let you know what it is and stuff like that. Guys, when I said that it was like 100 million degrees a day, and this is what it turns out like. Wait, see this? Maybe not the guy walking past, yeah, but the rain, look. You honestly can't rate this guys, you really can, like, obviously I'm nowhere near the accommodation or anything like that. But that's what it is, yeah, we get wet, we get wet. We have jackets with us. We're not getting a plane, so... Aye. But, they say, tucked away through this pizza now, you like, she's enjoying it. She's out of the pizza from anywhere to be fair, like. I feel like we just had to do it, guys, you know. Pizza was delicious. Hopefully that once we get outside.
We'll blow the budget ice cream.
We'll blow the budget on cannolis, cream puff and ice cream, but that's what it is. We'll just enjoy it. Hopefully it cools my insides down a wee bit as well. Nothing can beat Italian ice cream no matter what. So we'll go and taste this and we'll let you know how it is, guys, because it looks delicious. Hey guys, let's do a room tour of this delightful room here in Providence. I think it was about £47–48 a night. Don't know, we'll go through it. Random toilet roll, kitchen roll holder, don't know what you're doing with that. Can't really make it unless you fire something in the microwave. And we have the magic cloth. The funny one is you get cups, coffee maker, but no amenities to make anything. Kinda seems pointless, to be fair. Well, sorry. You can make some creamer and some Heinz tomato ketchup. Don't know, couldn't tell you. Yeah, fridge. Definitely seen better days. What do you think of the bed? It's like a blow up bed and blow up pillows. It's maybe not right, but that's exactly what it feels like. So either way, that's my opinion on it. It's horrendous, absolutely horrendous. Well, it's like a big V and you're sleeping, you just can't sleep. But it's always nice though, yeah. It's advertised as AC, but you get this piece of crap.
I know, honestly, it is.
You hear this noise? I'm really hoping that the GoPro picks that up, because that's aircon, you cannot sleep in that. You cannot sleep in that. It's literally like a bus stopping or a bus revving literally outside your house. No, it's not AC. We got an opinion?
This is when you're in the room, it sounds like a jumbo jet take off.
Hope you heard that. I could all hear that. I'll turn it back after I can actually do the rest of the video. But aye, it's horrendous. You get a fan? Hey, don't get me wrong, nobody can predict how warm it's going to be outside, yeah. But you know, point being is the aircon. It's just you book something with aircon and you turn up to that, and a fan that blows the boiling hot air in the room. Nah, it's not AC, I'm afraid. Not AC. Definitely wouldn't recommend it. Well, we're going to have a look at the bathroom anyway. Yeah, a mirror with some sort of amenities, hundreds of razors just in case. In case you want to rejuvenate yourself. And a freezing cold shower. So, nah. Obviously I don't know what you guys like better. Do you like seeing the room first, or do you like a proper opinion on the room, or both? just let me know in the comments. I can do both, yeah. I can do both if you want. I just don't know. I just thought I would test the room out first before giving my opinion on it. You know, definitely not somewhere, if you ever come to stay in Providence, definitely don't come stay here. You won't get to sleep. Been up for hours, and this is 7 in the morning. Obviously getting ready to get the bus to head into Philly, because I'm a few more hours sleep, but as it is now, yeah, looking forward to go to Philly. Looking forward to getting out this accommodation, to be fair. It's just all a bit weird and creepy. And aye. So aye guys, we'll see you when we get on the bus. Hey guys, for any information, if you're ever looking for the Flix bus stop here at Providence, it's literally right across the road from the Hilton, the corner of the car park. Can't really miss it, but just in case. Outside the big building, whatever that is, yeah. So, aye, just in case you're ever looking for it, you know what I mean, get your cheap travel. Don't remember how much the ticket was. How much was the ticket?
This leg was quite expensive to come around, but I'm sure this was like £38.
There you go, £38, so obviously a bit more expensive, but cheaper than Amtrak, so that's why we booked it. And hopefully it turns up more than Amtrak, so that would also be really good. Right, so we'll get on the bus and head to New York and then Philadelphia.